Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete Snapchat stories. So, if you have a private story or public story on Snapchat, and now you want to delete the story, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete Snapchat story, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat application, go to your Snapchat profile page. So to go to your Snapchat profile page, just need to click on the Bitmoji icon at the top left when you open the Snapchat application. Now scroll down, come to my stories. Under my stories, you have both public stories and private stories. Now locate the story you want to delete. There are two ways to delete the story. You can either quickly click on the story, press and hold it, and then click on the trash button at the bottom right, as you can see this. So this one, or better still, once you open the story, press and hold the story, then you see the menu comes up. On the menu, go ahead and click on delete snap. Or better still, while on your Snapchat page, under story, just locate the story you want to delete, press and hold it. Then you see delete snap. Now once you click on delete snap, you spot that says delete this snap. This will permanently delete this snap, but its metrics will still count towards the story. Go ahead and tap delete. And then you say snap deleted, and then the story will be removed from your Snapchat profile page. So that's exactly how to delete Snapchat story. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.